AI is going to change the world. So what do you do if you are in technology, particularly in technologies like Salesforce? How can you ensure that your organization is ready for the AI revolution that's going to happen? And what can you do really beyond integrating some ChatGPT API into your Salesforce? There are three areas that I'm seeing a lot of applicability in, but I want to talk about what do we do to equip ourselves. So very quick on the three areas is one is definitely integration of AI capabilities into your support, into your sales, into a lot of other areas. I think not just the analysis of existing customer base, product usage, subscription complaints, that all will happen. So beyond the analytical capabilities, getting a more steroid shot to make these better so that we can predict churn, figure out when vehicles break down, things like that. The other areas would include things like support, where you would have more automated bot-based support, very ChatGPT-like, that's looking at your knowledge base, that's looking at a customer's history, things like that. I think those are usual suspects. The third area that's going to be prominent is transformative new capabilities. Maybe there were things you wanted to do. Maybe you are a camera manufacturer and you wanted to help people understand how they can take better photos. So when they take a photo, they upload it to your site. You can come back with some review. I don't know, I'm making this up, but you'll definitely see an integration of AI into your products and services that directly impact your consumer, just beyond moving the friction from support and doing better analysis for more efficient marketing, more efficient customer relationships. That's on the applicability front. But as a technology guy, what can we do? If you lead technology initiatives in an organization as a program manager, as a COE, as a VP, as a CIO, CTO level person, and you're trying to determine, what do I do? How do we equip ourselves better for this AI flood that's supposedly coming? One of the areas that I found very, very interesting is really very simple. And a lot of organizations have not even started on, which is data classification. AI and tools like AI can go much faster and can do a much better job if your data is better classified. And if you run a system like Salesforce, there are opportunities to do that. Right today, what Salesforce offers out of the box is more focused on security and privacy. I'm very certain that's the direction that we will see more and more work happening. You're already starting to see that with organizations like Pentagon and the military. They are starting to realize that classifying data is far more important than algorithmic superiority. Better AI, smarter AI that has better algorithms will continue to happen. There's a lot of vendors that will do that, and we'll all have the opportunity, hopefully, to integrate a lot of that into our systems. But the part that is incumbent upon us is data tagging, is all the data governance and all the other things around data to make sure that it is ready for an AI to consume. The less cleaner fuel we put into this AI supercar, the harder time it will have to run at its max potential for our businesses. So I was having this conversation with some thought leaders in the data management space, and we actually talk about data classification, data categorization, and how it has an impact today on privacy and security and governance in general, but tomorrow on AI. It's definitely a topic worth thinking about and making sure that your organization, the projects that you're looking at, the initiatives you're looking at are starting to get ready. It's not a big deal. It's not building a customer master or boiling the ocean, but it's definitely a very important step that a lot of companies can take. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much.